Thanks for joining me today. Have you ever thought about earning some extra cash all while relaxing right on your couch at home? You know that old saying, knowledge is power? Well, these days your knowledge can actually be profitable too. With online tutoring, you get to share what you know, help others grow, and make a real difference, all from the comfort of your own home. Forget about fancy offices, dress codes, or long commutes. Your workspace can be as cozy as you want. You can even be a tutor in your pajamas, sipping coffee and setting your own schedule. Maybe you're great at math, love sharing stories from history, or you speak another language fluently. Whatever your skill, there's a place for you. There are always students out there searching for someone with your expertise, ready to learn and grow. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, a retiree, or just looking for a flexible side hustle, online tutoring could be your ticket to extra income and personal fulfillment. And the best part? You could earn anywhere from $15 to $60 an hour, depending on your subject and experience. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential and make a real impact? Let's dive in together and explore the exciting world of online tutoring. Your journey starts right now. Now, some of you might be wondering, what exactly is online tutoring? It's simple. You connect with students online and help them with their studies. Think of it like regular tutoring, but instead of meeting face-to-face, you're using video calls, online whiteboards, and other cool tools. What's in it for you? Flexibility. You choose your own hours and work from wherever you have an internet connection. Plus, you get to meet people from all walks of life and make a real difference in their education. Online tutoring is perfect for folks who love to teach and have a passion for sharing their knowledge. It's also a great way to brush up on your skills and stay sharp. So, if you're looking for a rewarding and flexible way to earn money, online tutoring is definitely worth checking out. Ready to get started? If you're thinking about becoming an online tutor, you're in luck. There are more opportunities than ever before, and the right platform can make all the difference in your experience. There are tons of great online tutoring platforms out there, each with its own unique features and benefits, but let me tell you about a few of my favorites that really stand out for new and experienced tutors alike. VIP Kid focuses on teaching English to kids in China. It's super popular and a great way to earn a steady income if you're a native English speaker. The platform provides lesson plans so you can focus on teaching and building connections with your students, making it easy to get started even if you're new to online tutoring. Chegg is a winner for college students. You can help students with their homework and earn money in your spare time. They've got everything from math and science to business and engineering. Plus, you can set your own schedule, which is perfect if you're balancing tutoring with your own studies or a busy lifestyle. Preply is like the United Nations of online tutoring. You can teach over 100 subjects, from languages to music to test prep. It's a great choice if you want to teach a wider range of topics or connect with students from all over the world. The platform also lets you set your own rates and build a loyal student base. These are just a few examples, folks. There are many more platforms out there, so do your research and find the one that fits you best. Take your time to explore your options, read reviews, and consider what subjects and students you want to work with. The perfect platform is out there waiting for you. Signing up for an online tutoring platform is usually a piece of cake. Most platforms will ask you to create a profile, highlight your skills and experience, and maybe even do a quick interview or demo lesson. Once you're all set up, it's time to find some students. Some platforms will connect you with students automatically, while others might require you to create a profile and market your services. Don't be shy about sharing your expertise. Let potential students know what you're good at and why they should choose you as their tutor. A little bit of self-promotion goes a long way. Remember, the more students you help, the more money you can make. So, put yourself out there and watch your student roster and your bank account grow. Alright, you're all signed up and ready to teach. This is where your journey as an online tutor truly begins, and the possibilities ahead are exciting. Now let's talk about how to be a rockstar tutor and boost those earnings. With the right approach, you can stand out and attract more students, all while making a real impact. Communication is key. Be friendly, patient, and responsive to your students. Make sure they feel heard and supported, no matter their questions or concerns. Clear communication helps build trust and makes the learning process smoother for everyone. When students know they can rely on you, they're more likely to stick around and recommend you to others. Be prepared. Just like any good teacher, you gotta come prepared. Take time to understand your students' needs and tailor your lessons to help them reach their goals. Plan your lessons in advance and have your materials ready to go. This not only saves time but also shows your professionalism and commitment. Be reliable, show up on time for your sessions, and be consistent with your schedule. Punctuality and dependability are qualities that students and parents truly value. Reliability is crucial for building a strong reputation as a tutor. Positive reviews and word of mouth can help you grow your client base quickly. Go the extra mile. Don't be afraid to go above and beyond for your students. Offer extra resources, answer follow-up questions, and show genuine interest in their progress. Offer extra help, provide personalized feedback, and celebrate their successes. Every milestone, big or small, deserves recognition and encouragement. Remember folks, online tutoring is more than just a job. It's an opportunity to inspire, motivate, and empower learners from all walks of life. It's a chance to make a real difference in someone's life. Your support and guidance can help students gain confidence and achieve their dreams. When you're passionate about teaching and dedicated to your students' success, the rewards are endless. Not only can you earn more, but you'll also experience the joy of helping others grow and succeed. So, what are you waiting for? There's a whole world of students out there who are eager to learn from you. Take the leap, share your knowledge, and watch your income soar.